Hello and welcome back to Joe Duffy Mini. My name is Ben and today I have a Resolute edition Cooper S for you, finished in Rebel Green with a pepper white roof. And we also have some bronze accents on the door handles, the boot lip, along with the Cooper S badge over here, around the headlights and around the front grille, finished with these Resolute edition stripes. Where this is most noticeable is in the front seats here. These are tartan seats with a yellow hue to them, and in here we have a special dashboard all for the Resolute edition. So over in the center here we have our full infotainment system. We have Apple CarPlay on this car, and over on the clock here we only have 8,000 kilometers on the clock. Below me is all of our aircon controls, along with heated seats in the front, our drive mode selector, our traction control, and our auto stop start, with turning it on in the middle. It is a automatic 7-speed gearbox. We have a manual handbrake here, a little bit of storage area under there, and again just another look at these seats. So it is a 2-litre Cooper S, so it does have quite the exhaust note. If you have any questions or queries about this Mini or would like to bring it for a test drive, you can contact me on 01864 7777 or pop in to our showroom, exit 5 off the M50. Thank you.